The next feature would be visualization of propagation delay. For a selected cell, once we present propagation delay, an axis is drawn at the azimuth of selected cell orientation, and PDF values are drawn as rectangular regions normal to the axis. Red circles are at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 10 kilometers from the selected cell. This option is very useful for quick and easy detection of overshooting cells. At the same time, message window will show PDF numerical values and cumulative PDF numerical values at individual distances until value of 99.5% is reached. The next feature is visualization of cell relation statistics. Cell relation statistics are shown as lines from source to target cells with values. User can choose a threshold, meaning the minimum value of certain indicator to be displayed, which reduces the number of lines and allows the user to focus on important cell relations. This feature is very useful to confirm unnecessary neighbors and overshooters. Sometimes when we have a very complicated map, we are not quite sure from the map of all the cells that are in a certain area. For those reasons, WCELLS has this feature that allows listing of all cells found in map window. The program will list and count all UMTS cells found in visible map window, and the list will be displayed in message window. Similarly, the user can list all RNCs found in map window. We can export list of cells per region, per technology and carrier. Result of exporting would be a text file. Message window would give number of cells per region, per technology and per layer, meaning per carrier. The other thing what we can do for a selected region, we can export count of cell neighbors for every cell in that region. For example, number of UMTS neighbors would be counted in total as well as separately per carrier. Also, number of IRET neighbors will be counted per cell, and total number of neighbors UMTS plus IRET. Finally, the last and one of the most important features of WCELLS is presentation and visualization of drive test results. WCELLS uses scanner drive test results, indicators EC and ECIO. We have a separate button pad for this operation. Once we present EC, for example, we can quickly switch to ECIO by clicking on button T. Here is an example that shows EC of primary scrambling code 77, and the cell which is colored yellow is the cell who has that scrambling code. This is very useful to show if the footprint of a cell is according to requirements. If we have results for all primary scrambling codes, we can easily move between the individual footprints by using the buttons Next PSC and Previous PSC. We can take a look at the whole result for a particular PSC by clicking on button V. Also, we can see best server plot, and we can calculate averages for a selected region. The input information is mid-MIF file according to specified format. A template is provided to export scanner results from TEMS investigation. Once we have this input, with WCELLS software we can extract all individual footprints of individual PSCs from the input file. Practice has shown that visualization of PSC footprints and neighbors is a powerful method of detecting missing neighbor relations and overshooters.